Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League live on mobile. To start, open your internet browser in your mobile device. In your internet browser, search for Sky Sports and then hit enter. Once done, click on the link that says www.skysports.com. Once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to Sky Sports website. Once you're here, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Now, click on Sports. It's a drop-down. Once you click on it, you will see other sports options as well. As you can see here, there is a long list of the available sports that you can watch using Sky Sports. For now, let's click on football as an example. In here, all you need to do is scroll down, and then you will see all the live games available via Sky. Now you can scroll up. And once you scroll up, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Then in here, tap on Get Sky Sports. Once you tap on it, all you need to do is scroll down. And then in here, you'll be able to choose your membership if you want to join Sky Sports. In here, you can stream world-class sports on Now. It's for 34.99 euros a month without a contract on Now for all 11 Sky Sports channels. Of course, this is all up to you. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.